So my workout is done. Yay! We're getting back into the shape. So now I'm mentally preparing for my first workout back in the tropics. So I think I will do fit test. This is only body weight, and since I haven't been in the workout routine for some time, it's good to start with some body weight exercises only. And now I'm on my web page. You go to workouts up here, and here it shows all the workouts I have. This is the latest one I uploaded, and here you have on the left side you have the series, so the workout series. You click here, and since I'm not going to use any equipment, it's called Body Power, only with your body. And here are all the workouts that are selected without any equipment. So I finally finished my workout, and I actually beat my personal best for 2 minutes and 5 seconds. So that's why I always tell you to write down the workout that you're gonna do, write down the time if you're doing a time challenge, and make sure the next time you do it, you beat your personal best. That's the goal, because you are actually competing only to yourself, and those fit tests are amazing workouts just to see where you are, how you are progressing, if you're faster, stronger, better than you were before. Your workout program is on point. Right, in the next clip I will show you what exactly I did today. For your workout program is on point. Right, in the next clip I will show you what exactly I did today. Hi guys, so for today's lunch I'm gonna have vegetables, mixed vegetables. Here I have millet, which is really good grains, full of proteins, and here I'm gonna also add some tomato sauce. Already add that, it's really good, and tofu for extra protein. So this is my lunch for today. Good morning guys, so today I'm gonna do fasted cardio. I do not usually do fasted cardio, or I very rarely now train cardio. If I do it, it's just a combination of HIIT workouts, and this is basically now my cardio. I do it maybe like 1 time per week, but the rest I focus on the strength training and mobility and stretching and so on. So I have to test my workout for the webpage, and I always do that before I film it. So if I need to adjust the exercises, or maybe I adjust the reps, or maybe I adjust the timer. So yeah, so I will test and I'll let you know how it goes. And I did it. 15 minutes, awesome cardio. Woo. It's amazing. Oh, I missed that sweat actually. So, like I said before, I need to adjust the workout before I film it. So basically what I changed are 2 exercises. And yeah, here is the list. And also, I focus also on the abs, just to give a little bit break from the 4 cardio exercises I was doing. And yeah, so I always combined cardio and a little bit of abs. So now I have to start the day. I will have a nice breakfast, probably my protein shake, and then I have to make a plan for today as well. I have to call, have some meetings. I have to go to town for the school meeting for Leo. And good morning, chickens. And it's a beautiful day. Yeah, I wish you wonderful. What is today? Friday. Oh my god, the time flies so fast. I don't even know which day is it. Anyway, so yeah, I have nothing to say anymore. Enjoy. What is today? Friday. Oh my god, the time flies so fast, I don't even know which day is it. Anyway, so yeah, I have nothing to say anymore. Enjoy the day. I have summer here all year long. Ciao! Everybody, hope you're having a wonderful Saturday. So since I am posting more about foods now, I will also give you a quick few tips what helped me actually when I started with my weight loss journey a long time ago. So first thing, what actually helped me, before each meal I drank at least 1 glass of water, and so the water trick actually made possible that I ate a little bit less than I would have eaten at that time. And also I used a smaller plate and I ate slow. I was eating slowly, I was taking time with my meals, and after 20 minutes your brain actually tells you if you're still hungry or not. So you're not gonna go for a second portion. This is another tip. The third tip is do not skip any food groups, do not skip carbs, do not be afraid of carbs, eat proteins with every meal, drink a lot of water, don't skip your healthy fats as well, don't be afraid of fruits, eat everything in moderation, and do your strength training as well. This will build up the muscle. And so the strength training is your secret weapon to burning more fat, especially while you're resting. So that's the secret. Of course, do your cardio as well, but I would focus more on the strength training than on cardio, because anyway, when you're doing strength training, your heart is also pumping quite fast. So yeah, and that's it actually. And be consistent. Take everything as your time for yourself, and at least 30 minutes to 1 hour per day, do something for you. And if you're gonna take it in a positive way, changes will come, and this is the key. And be patient. Weight loss journey takes time. It does not happen overnight, it happens over months, but after each session you're gonna feel stronger, you're gonna feel better, you're gonna feel better mentally, physically, you're gonna be a more positive person, and I think this is what counts the most. All right, so I wish you a wonderful day, and if you would like to DM me for any specific workouts, personal training, group training, let me know. Or online training, of course, fitnessbymaya.com offers you everything what you need. Good morning, everybody. So today I'm gonna start with my third awesome workout of this week. I've been very consistent, and I'm gonna do sweat to shred number 2, and this is also on my weekly schedule on my webpage, and it's a pyramid style workout, and those are always very intense. I have 5 different exercises for a full body: jump rope, deadlift to squat, burpee, hip thrusts, and push-ups. And I'm gonna go 5 reps, 10 reps, 20 reps, 10 reps, 5 reps. This should probably take me around 30 minutes. And I'm gonna use 20 kilo weights. For the deadlift to squat, and hip thrusts I will probably go around 13 with my sandbag. Okay, wish me good luck. So my workout is done. Yay! We're getting back into the shape. It will happen really fast. So I wanted to tell you something. So if you didn't work out regularly for some period of time, maybe like a month or so, you took a little bit of break, and then you started working out again, go a little bit slow at the beginning, but then increase your intensity, obviously, and you will see you did not actually lose all the gains you had before. Your body is just now covered a little bit more with fat and with a little bit less defined muscles, but once you start working out again, your muscle tone will come back really fast. There's a wonderful thing called muscle memory. So our muscles which were trained before, they get into the stronger. So yeah, if you haven't trained that muscle for a certain time and now you're going back into the training, so your muscle will remember the previous intensity, the previous type of training and what you did, and you will get this really fast. So you should get back into the shape really fast. At least this happens in my case, because everything what I tell you is through my personal experiences, through my training, how it affects me, but it also will affect you maybe differently, because everybody is different. Everybody has also different training style, different compositions, different genetics. Maybe it will take a week or two, maybe 3 weeks, but then you'll be soon back into the game. It also depends how much fat you gain and how long you didn't train, obviously. But if you haven't trained just for about a month or so, in order to find what best suits you, and you actually need to go through trial and error with your own body, with your own workouts, with your own styles, and then you will see what suits you the best. Yeah, so it depends individually, basically. Yeah, so for me, I get in shape really, really fast. Of course, I monitor also what I eat. I eat whole food, plant-based diet. I do not call it a diet because I've been so long into this healthy eating since 2007, being vegan, and actually I know already what works for my body. So I eat mostly like 90% healthy food, and 10% or 20% is a soul food. So I never restrict myself. I eat what I want, but majority is very healthy food. So this will also help you to get. So remember, this will also help you to get into the shape really, really fast. So nutrition and the training goes hand in hand like this. And also, of course, mental support and changing your mindset. That's the number one. So about this, maybe tomorrow. So I wish you a wonderful Saturday, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.